Hello, thanks for joining us. This is Mama and Sweets. We wanted to share with you a quick hairstyle video. And here I showed one particular spray that you can use. You can either use a detangler or just a refreshing, re-wetting type spray. We make our own with filtered water and lavender oil, and we can share that quick little recipe down below. And then we just wanted to show you what kind of hair Sweets has. So when it's wet, it's actually just below her shoulders, about the middle of her back. And so we'll show some wash videos as well a little bit later. And we just sprayed the top of her hair really just to dampen it, to re-wet the flyaways, and we put a little extra gel, watered down. And just for all those front pieces that are going to show with this hairstyle. Now it is a quick twist, and we're going to do a diagonal part so that you don't really see any part line, and then you don't have to separate those curl families either. This just makes it quick and easy. There's no parting really necessary. I just kind of followed where her hair naturally wanted to fall. And just twist starting from the front, and I'm basically just twisting one half of her hair here. You'll see with one hand I'm tucking in hair, and then with my left hand I'm twisting it over to create this tucked in twist. So it has a, somewhat of a French braid effect because I am taking little pieces at a time and twisting them together. Tiny part once you get to the bottom, so where she's holding it, you could just tie this little part down so you have two little ponytail ties on the bottom, and that's really cute because then it does kind of show at the back of her neck right here too, some of those curls. Or in this particular case, I'm going to show how we're going to bring both of those twists together. And this really twist hairstyle is great for a school day because it does keep those little flyaways or shorter hairs that frame the face, keeps them tucked back. We do like to do a basic ponytail, but sometimes those little hairs do tend to come out midday. So you could decide where you want to put these little clip bows. We like the ones with the little teeth on it that help grab the hair so they don't slip off so much. And that is it. Quick and easy. And before you go, we just wanted to show you two different sizes of hairbands. The small one is the standard size of hairbands that you see in packages at the store. And then there's the larger hairband that's about double the size, and those are our favorite, especially for Sweets' really thick hair. It really holds ponytails and this tea time twist at the base of it. It's really the only size that really can help us comfortably loop it around, not only for me as I'm trying to tie her hair, but also for her too. So definitely recommend those. Look for those hairbands wherever you shop for your hair accessories. See you again soon. Thanks.